Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant netted embroidery work pallu. The saree here is a beautiful pink, deep pink color, deep shade of magenta pink color saree with very elegant Dupian finish hand weaving. And we have the golden zari borders in both sides, which is a very pretty gold shade, and we have a netted transparent fabric pallu. It's very different fabric, and we have parrots and branch design in the pallu, which is embroidered using multiple colors, and we have same body color blouse piece. Excellent saree, very attractive color, and comes with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant zari border, netted embroidery work pallu. Hand woven, beautiful light blue color saree, very beautiful Dupian finish weaving, and we have 2 inches zari border in both sides with a netted pallu. The pallu have transparent fabric, and we have a beautiful embroidery work being done. A very elegant one with running color blouse piece, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with a netted embroidery work pallu, a handloom saree. Very elegant Dupian finish weaving in the saree. You can see the visible Dupian threads in the baby pink color. Elegant saree here, pastel shade with the 2-inch zari borders in both sides, and we have a netted transparent fabric, very beautiful fabric. On it the embroidery work is done, and we have same body color blouse piece. Excellent one with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving, very elegant netted embroidery work pallu. The saree here is a light shade of a light skin tone shade, beautiful mild tussar color, light color, and we have Dupian finish weaving, and we have also a 2 inches zari border on both sides. Golden zari is used for the borders, and we have a netted transparent fabric pallu. On it a bird pattern with the tree branch is given, which is very elegant with multiple colors. It's been embroidered, and we have same color saree color blouse piece. Beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant embroidery work pallu. The saree here is a pastel shade, beautiful purple color, light pastel purple, mild lavender shade, and we have a beautiful Dupian finish weaving. It's a hand woven saree with both sides zari borders. The pallu of the saree here is a netted transparent fabric, and embroidery work is done using the blue color threads. It's a twig pattern, and we have same color blouse piece. Excellent saree in pastel shade color, and comes with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant zari borders in both sides. It's a hand woven saree, a beautiful pallu. The saree is plain, and it's a light beautiful blue shade. Dupian finish threads, very visibly it's being woven, and we have 2 inches zari border, golden zari border. The pallu of the saree is a transparent netted fabric. On it a beautiful embroidery work is done in the deep blue shade. The blouse piece is also in the saree color. Very elegant saree, beautiful design, and comes with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving. It's very elegant netted embroidery work pallu. Saree here is a beautiful shade of blue. Dupian finish weaving, hand woven, excellent finish with a 2 inches zari border in both sides. The pallu of the saree here is a netted transparent fabric. On it embroidery work is done using beautiful colors. The saree comes with running blouse piece and central silk bows, silk mark zipper. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant zari border and netted embroidery work pallu. Here we have a light beige color saree, beautiful Dupian finishing, and we have zari borders in both sides, 2 inches zari border, beautiful pastel shade color with a netted transparent fabric pallu. On the pallu we have very elegant embroidery work. Colors are very pretty. We have running color blouse piece. Excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving, very elegant netted embroidery work pallu. The saree here is a beautiful shade of Rani pink, elegant shade, very bright color, and the hand woven finish. You can see the Dupian finish weaving threads, and we also have zari borders on both sides. The pallu of the saree is a netted embroidery fabric. On netted fabric, the embroidery work is done. It's a twig pattern, and we have same color, running color blouse piece. Beautiful saree, a bright and attractive shade with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupion finished weaving with very elegant netted embroidery work blouse piece, pallu. The blouse piece of the saree is running. A very elegant mehendi green color, a golden green shade with golden zari borders. Dupion finished weaving, hand woven saree it is. You can see the visible threads on the saree. Beautiful raw silk with a pallu that is very elegant work. It is an embroidery work on the knitted fabric, and we have blouse piece which is also in the lighter shade of mehendi green. Excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupion finished weaving, very elegant netted embroidery work pallu. It's a hand woven saree in a light blue shade, a very beautiful shade of blue. Dupion finished weaving is very visible and beautiful with the 2 inches saree border in both sides of the saree, and we have a netted transparent fabric. On it the embroidery work is done. Very elegant colors used for the embroidery, contrast colors are used, and we have same running color blouse piece. Saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure raw silk saree, Dupion finished weaving with very elegant netted embroidery work pallu. The saree here is beautiful shade of blue, a pastel beautiful blue color with Dupion finished weaving, and we have rich borders on both sides, which is done using golden zari, and we have a netted pallu. The pallu is transparent, and on it the embroidery work is done. Very beautiful colors used for the embroidery work, and we have same body color, plain blouse piece. Excellent saree. The color as well as the embroidery work is very elegant with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupion finished weaving, very elegant netted embroidery work pallu. The saree here is in ice blue color, beautiful light shade of blue with Dupion finished threads. A pastel blue color with 2 inches zari border, hand woven saree with a beautiful pallu, netted transparent fabric, and on it the embroidery work is done using blue threads. The blouse piece of the saree is lighter shade saree color. The saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupion finished weaving, very elegant netted embroidery work pallu. The saree here is ice blue color, beautiful shade of pastel light blue, fully hand woven finish, so Dupion finish too, and we have rich borders in both sides, which is done using golden zari. The pallu of the saree here is very different netted transparent fabric. On it beautiful blue is used for the embroidery, hibiscus design, and we have same blue color blouse piece. Excellent saree, beautiful light pastel shade with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupion finished weaving, very elegant embroidery work pallu. The saree here is pastel shade light skin tone color, Dupion finished weaving, and it is a almost light tassa color with both sides golden zari border, rich border with the pallu that is a netted and transparent fabric. On it embroidery work is done using beautiful colors. We have plain blouse piece and same body color. Excellent saree, a pastel one with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupion finished weaving, very elegant netted embroidery worked saree pallu. The saree here is blue color, a very different shade of blue, a very elegant blue too. Dupion finished weaving. It's a hand woven saree with very elegant rich borders in both sides, 2 inch zari borders, and here we have a pretty pallu. So netted transparent fabric pallu, on it embroidery work is done using beautiful colors. Excellent saree with running color border, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupion finished weaving, very elegant netted embroidery work pallu. The saree here is a beautiful light shade blue, very beautiful color, light turquoise blue color, and we have Dupion finished weaving in the saree. It's a hand woven, very fine finish, beautiful raw silk with 2 inches zari border, golden zari border in both sides of the saree, and we have a netted pallu, a transparent netted pallu with embroidery work in the pallu, and we have same color body color blouse piece. Excellent saree in a pastel shade and beautiful embroidery work, and comes with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupion finished weaving, very elegant netted embroidery work pallu. The saree here is a light lavender color, beautiful shade of lavender with elegant Dupion finished threads, hand woven, beautiful design, and we have 2 inches zari border in both sides of the saree. And here we have a pallu which is netted transparent fabric, and we have very elegant embroidery work done in the pallu. The blouse piece of the saree is lighter shade of the body color. Excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupion finish weaving, very elegant, netted embroidery work pallu. The saree here is a light blue shade, beautiful light blue with Dupion finish weaving threads, very elegant weaving, hand weaving it is. And we have 2 inches zari border in both sides of the saree, rich zari border. The pot making concept is embroidered on the beautiful netted transparent fabric pallu, beautiful and very colorful threads used, and plain blouse piece in same color. Excellent saree. Concept of pot making is really beautiful with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupion finish weaving with very elegant netted embroidery work pallu. The saree here is a light blue, a beautiful light blue color. With very elegant Dupion finish weaving, hand woven saree with 2 inches zari border on both sides with golden zari border. And we have a netted transparent fabric pallu. The pallu have beautiful embroidery, very elegant design, hibiscus design, and we have same color, running color blouse piece. Beautiful saree with authentic silk work.